let's talk about some of the future trends for AI. And I think the best person to ask, or the best thing to ask, would be Copilot. So let's ask Copilot, what are some of the future trends for AI and some of the new features for Copilot to be deployed? Here's the breakdown. AI really is evolving from different passive tools, and you'll notice that what they're doing is they're making more targeted tools. You'll also notice that some of the advanced tools are small and targeted to small businesses. And it's also everywhere. You've got tools just about in every single place. But there are some ethical things to consider and some personal responsibility. As far as upcoming features, Copilot has lots. You have AI powered summary meetings, sales agents, email summaries, Copilot, Outlook mobile. Like I said, you've got a ton of different features that are coming out for Outlook, Teams, even stuff for things like notebooks, reasoning agents, which are the first of their kind, and they're being launched via the Frontier program, and lots of stuff for data protection. Make sure that you check out Microsoft Purview if you're looking to lock stuff down.